Good morning, lovely. So today is one of my favorite days of the week. It's Monday morning. I'm up right now at 4:30 in the morning because I have to work today at Ulta. If you guys don't know, update on my life. I have like literally 5 jobs right now, and I don't know how I'm balancing all of them, but right now I'm getting ready for my part-time job at Ulta. I'm doing a 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. shift. I'm just packing my lunchbox. I really like snacks. Like, I just feel like if I'm gonna be out all day working and doing whatever, running around, I need snacks, especially like being vegan, because it's not like I can just go somewhere and get food whenever I want. Like, I really have to actually look around and make a lot of restrictions and changes and stuff just to get like a decent meal. And even then, it's still probably fast food and processed. So I like to eat at home. I like to pack me a little lunch. So I made me 2 sandwiches. I had some fruit, made sure I put some water in there, and then I made me some iced coffee, locked up, and then got ready to go. I try now to leave for work like 5:35 because I was so used to being late for a really long time, but also has a point system, and the points was getting a little too out of hand, and I'm probably like 1 or 2 strikes away from being fired, so I'd be on my P's and Q's at being on time. My shift went by pretty fast. I came back home, and I decided to go ahead and knock my hair out. I'm really tired of doing my hair every day, so I was like, I'm gonna put some mini twists in my hair just to have something low maintenance for the week, so I really don't have to worry about doing my hair. So I started off with doing my mini twists. I didn't part them this time. I just like felt where the curls was like clumping together and just started to twist. The whole process took me about 2.5 hours, and I finished my head in a pretty decent amount of time. After I finished doing my hair, I was kind of hungry, so I decided to make me some meals and just go ahead and knock out my meal prepping for the week. My dish of the week this week is going to be this veggie style Penang curry that I've been making like consistently for the past 2 weeks. It's probably my new hyperfixation, and I'm okay with that because I really like it, y'all. And I've noticed since I started using this, I've actually lost weight. It's been 2 weeks. I lost 6 pounds so far, so I'm gonna stick with it because I don't get tired of it. I'm using some of the corn chicken, the vegan chicken brand, and I just sliced up some peppers and onions. I got this new slicer from TikTok shop. I gotta show it to y'all. It's pretty cool, but I use that to slice up all my veggies all cute like how you see them in a pan. And then I just sauteed some of the chicken with the veggies, added some curry powder for a little extra flavor, and then I just went to add in some of my frozen veggies. Now usually I would use fresh, but I was on a budget this week, so we use frozen veggies, and I'm just chopping them down in the pan and sauteing them so they get a little bit of that flavor to them. I ended up taking the veggies out and then starting to work on my sauce and building my sauce up. I like to do these two separate because I like for my sauce to be as thick and as rich and creamy as possible. And I feel like when I actually put the paste in there, fry it, and actually build the sauce up from the ground up, it just comes out a lot more creamier. And just, I just like the consistency better. Like, I don't want it to be like curry water or curry, I want it to be like a curry soup or like just like a curry cream, So I added some chickpeas in it this time. I want to try something new. Like, I've been looking for different ways for me to receive extra protein. I like chickpeas, and y'all know I'm vegan, so I said, why not add some chickpeas in there? So I poured the chickpeas in there. I let those cook in the actual simmer base, and then I added my coconut milk. I always like to let my coconut milk sit for a little bit, just stir it together, and just kind of let the paste and the coconut milk immerse in each other, because I feel like when I don't do this process, I feel like it comes out super clumpy, and it grosses me out. So I like to make sure I let it sit and simmer for a while to get it nice and like even. Then I added my veggies back in there. I had a whole bunch of veggies, y'all. It was so good, and I ate this whole entire pot in like literally 3 days. I'm not lying to you. I've lost so much weight, it's not even funny. I really got to put y'all on, but that's for a whole nother video. But added my visual. Y'all, I'm starting to stutter. I got too excited looking at this food. I'm literally drooling. Like, I'm salivating looking at this pot right now because I've been obsessed with this food for like the past month almost, and like I'm not tired of it yet, I promise you. So this is one of the main dishes that I cooked, but here's all my meal preps from the week. This is from my meal prep service. I did make some of the same dishes that I made for myself because I thought they were good and I thought they would really enjoy them. Then I just went outside on my deck for a little bit just to eat. I made my curry this time with quinoa curry. It was like tricolor, so that was new and exciting and fun. Then of course I went for my daily walk. I did my mile walk. The sunset was literally so beautiful, y'all. Sometimes it just feels so good just be outside and like feel the sun on your skin and smell the fresh air and the plants and everything. I've been trying to get back into my fitness journey also, like alongside taking care of my health and eating right and stuff like that. So this is just show y'all the walk that I do every day. It's literally a mile. I've been doing it for the past almost month and a half, maybe 2 months. But yep, I ended out my day with going back to the house after my walk. I got me a little snack. I'm actually feeling myself a lot in this suit. Like, this suit to me gives like low-key BBL. Like, Honey, I don't even have a BBL, but this, I just feel like I look so good in this suit, so I just had to show y'all for a little bit. Like, okay, body is tea, and we're not even really into our fitness for real. Like, we're gonna be skinny queens by the summertime for real. So I made some ice cream. This is this vegan ice cream I got. I think it's by Oat Lily. It's like a raspberry chocolate. It was good. I put it in a bowl so it could melt down, and then I enjoyed the rest of my night and went to sleep.